In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log in on X, formerly Twitter, step by step using the official website. Whether you're trying to access your account on a phone, tablet, or computer, this quick guide will help you get signed in without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're using the official X website so you can log in safely and avoid fake pages or lookalike sites. Once the page loads, you'll see the main X homepage. On this screen, look for the sign in button. Depending on the layout, it may appear in the center card or near the bottom of the page. Go ahead and click Sign in. After that, X will ask you to enter your login details. This is where you can type in your username, email address, or phone number, depending on how your account is set up. Once you've entered that information, click Next. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Carefully type in your password, making sure caps lock is off and there are no typos. If everything is correct, click the button to continue and confirm your login. After that, you should be taken directly into your X account. If you don't want to use the standard login method, X may also give you other sign-in options. For example, if your account is connected to Google, you can choose Sign in with Google. If your account is linked to Apple, you can choose Sign in with Apple. These options can make the login process faster if you've already connected those accounts. If you run into a problem, double check that you're on the right website, that your email or username is entered correctly, and that your password is accurate. If you still can't get in, you may need to use the password recovery option from the sign-in page. And that's it. You now know how to log in on X step by step, using the official website and the available sign-in methods. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.